I'm Siani with the St. Martin de Porres Healthy Saint in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and several of my Healthy Saint colleagues. We are bringing you a special edition global news report in cooperation with Kids Give and the Healthy NewsWorks. In this report, we want to draw attention to the Ebola outbreak which spread through an African country called Sierra Leone. A disease outbreak is an increase in the number of cases above what is normally expected in a limited geographic area. According to the Centers for Disease Control, Ebola is a rare and deadly disease caused by a virus. The first case of Ebola was found in West Africa of March 2014. As you can see on this map, Sierra Leone, Liberia, and Guinea were the countries that were most affected. In a report released by the World Health Organization, more than 11,000 people died in the outbreak between March 2014 and January 2016. Now that you know where and when the recent Ebola outbreak occurred, let's go to our field reporters, Isa and Noah, who have been learning how someone can contract Ebola.
Thank you, Siani. I am Noah. According to the Centers for Disease Control, you can get Ebola from the bodily fluids of a person who is sick. You can get Ebola from objects that have been contaminated with bodily fluids, such as blood from a sick person from Ebola who has died. And you can get it from eating fruit bats, apes, and monkeys. Some of our viewers may be concerned that you can catch Ebola from the air. Can you address that concern, Isai?
According to CDC, you cannot get Ebola from the air. You cannot get Ebola from water, and you cannot get Ebola through food grown in soil. Back to you, Siani.
Thanks, Isa and Noah. Now we go to reporter Samantha, who is interviewing an expert on Sierra Leone.
Thank you, Siani. I'm Samantha, and I am here with Professor Claudina Scram, who's the coordinator for Kids Give, a charity that works with children in Sierra Leone. Hello, Professor, and welcome to our program.
Thank you. I'm happy to be here.
Professor, how has Ebola affected the children in Sierra Leone?
Ebola has affected all the children in Sierra Leone. Schools were closed for a whole year, and children stayed home. Some children lost their parents to Ebola, and some even died.
Are there any lasting health problems in the country from the outbreak?
Children who survived Ebola are very strong, but they now suffer from ongoing medical conditions, especially in